Maritime Showdowns. U.S. naval response to drone and missile threats in the Red Sea. In a recent series of tense maritime confrontations, the United States Navy has been at the forefront of defending against drone and missile attacks in the Red Sea. The Navy destroyer USS Carney took decisive action on October 19th, deploying missiles to counter threats from Houthi rebels in Yemen. Then, in a remarkable display of precision and readiness, the USS Thomas Hudner intercepted and destroyed multiple attack drones on November 23rd. Commercial vessels navigating in international waters of the Red Sea found themselves under attack, facing both drone and missile threats. Responding to the imminent danger, a U.S. destroyer engaged in a defensive battle, successfully neutralizing 3 drones to protect the commercial ships. These incidents highlight the ongoing challenges in maritime security and the crucial role of the U.S. Navy in maintaining safe passage in troubled waters. The U.S. Navy has long been a cornerstone of international maritime security. Its presence in strategic waterways like the Red Sea is crucial for ensuring safe passage for commercial vessels amid regional conflicts and piracy threats. However, the U.S. Navy faces its own challenges: budget constraints, evolving global priorities, and the need to allocate resources across multiple regions may limit its capacity to patrol certain areas continuously. There is growing speculation that the U.S. might reduce its naval presence in certain regions. This could leave commercial vessels more vulnerable to attacks, affecting global trade and maritime safety. To address this potential gap, several solutions are being considered. These include enhanced satellite surveillance, deployment of unmanned vehicles for patrolling, and stronger international naval coalitions. These measures could offer a new paradigm for maritime security, distributing the responsibility more evenly among global powers. Additionally, the role of private security companies in protecting commercial shipping is gaining attention. These private entities could provide dedicated security, supplementing the efforts of national navies. Ultimately, the future of maritime security may rest on global collaboration and policy. International agreements and cooperative strategies could be key in ensuring the safety of sea lanes, crucial for the world's economy. As the maritime landscape evolves, the commitment to safe and secure international waters remains a shared responsibility, one that demands innovation, cooperation, and a vision for a safer global maritime community.